Flight Region Alton, all companies. Barnstead 6 Engine 2, Gilmanton 9 Engine 3, New Durham Engine 1. Building fire in the area of 44 Barber Drive. Flight Region Alton, all companies. Barnstead 6 Engine 2, Gilmanton 9 Engine 3, New Durham Engine 1. Building fire in the area of 44 Barber Drive. From Alton Shores Road, Channel 5, 1354.
1C1, requesting first alarm.
Lakes Region, 1 ambulance on scene, heavy fire through the roof. Corrected address is 40 Barber Drive.
1 ambulance 2 on scene, heavy fire through the roof. Corrected address of 40 Barber Drive.
Lakes Region, 1C1's on scene.
1C1 on scene.
Lakes Region, all command.
Flight Region Alton, all companies. Guilford additional call, 8 Tanker 1. Wolfeboro 99 Engine 2, 99 Ambulance 7. Farmington 49 Engine 3. First alarm building fire, 40 Barber Drive. Belmont 3 Engine 2, Pittsfield 72 Ambulance 1. Cover Alton. Flight Region 2 Alton, all companies. Guilford 8 Tanker 1, additional call. Wolfeboro 99 Engine 2, 99 Ambulance 1. Farmington 49 Engine 3. First alarm building fire, 40 Barber Drive. Belmont 3 Engine 2, Pittsfield 72 Ambulance 1, cover the Alton station. Alton Shores Road, Channel 5, 1407. Answering 1C1.
Lakes Region from all command. Be advised, Engine 4 is on scene. We got about 50% involvement of a by 50 two-story.